of course, the second one is, napansin nyo agad, it's a sponsored episode! Yay! Nagpapasalamat lang kami, of course, sa Danes. But at the same time, nagpapasalamat kami sa Quizmates. Keep spreading the vibes with Danes Cheese Spreads.
Spread the vibes na po tayo! I hope you are going to be sharing your awesome cheese recipes and buying your own bottle of Danes Cheese Spread. And that has been this episode of Perlacat Countdown. I love you guys! Spread the vibes!
Iya. Oh my God! Iya, grabe papatihan niya talaga to. Oh my gosh, wait. Let's go! Yon. Nagawa rin. Oh my gosh, grabe!
Sa hindi na mapapahuli ang babae, talaga namang favorite ang cheese at napapakanta ng Danes ko na mapipigilan ang pagkain ng Danes cheese.
Ay, wow!
Sorry!
Pero syempre maraming salamat sa ating pinakamamahal na Danes Cheese Spread. Thank you very much sa inyong napakasarap po na cheesy recipes na sandwich, nachos at baked mac. Grabe naman talaga, sobrang sarap. Ang lahat po ng mga ito ay talagang pinasarap lalo ng Danes Cheese Spread.
Welcome guys, welcome to the stream. I hope you can support me by sending Spread the Vibes and Danes Cheese. Ayan po guys. So kung meron kayong mga extra emerald na kung gusto, yeah.
Thank you so much Danes Cheese sa pagpapasarap ng aking cheesy baked tahong.